Today I wanted to begin this video by asking you a question about, is there something that you have been putting on the back burner for a while, maybe for a year, for 2 years, 10 years for that matter? So is there anything that you have been putting on the back burner for a while and have not done it? Please mention that in the comments if there's something that you have putting on the back burner for a while. And why I'm asking this, because this is a very personal thing which I would like to share, which I happened to realize just 2 days back while I was talking to my friend and mentor Akash Garg, that I started my coaching business or that coaching institute, Oyster India, in 2009, and I didn't pursue it. And then yesterday I realized, oh crap, if I was working in that direction, I might have had a different business which I wanted to do years back. I might have been at a very different level, but because I did not act, it's nowhere, right? It's just I'm starting everything from the scratch, or this is what I realized. Second thing, my book. I started writing book in 2017 November. I could have completed maybe in a year, but I kept on putting that onto the back burner year over the year, and it is December 2020. I have a ready manuscript now. It will go into prints by this week or the next week, but today as we talk, it has been 4 years without getting a single book printed. I would have definitely completed more than one book by now if I would have taken action. Third thing, back in 2012 or maybe before that, we had an initiative or an online business called sabziwale.com, which was about ordering your vegetables online. So it was a very unique concept back then. There were not many competitors that we had. We were getting a lot of orders. We definitely had operational challenges. We had to do a lot of hard work in procuring things, and distribution was a challenge office, and we didn't do that and didn't pursue. You never know, and I was feeling like if I would have pursued that, it would have seen 8 years, and 8 years is more than sufficient time to really mature a business. You never know, by now we would have we might have sold the business to bigbasket.com, starbazaar.com, somebody. I mean, there are so many buyers for these kind of good businesses, right? And we might have diversified to something. So these three stories, all of a sudden I realized this is bad. I mean, I have wasted so much of time, and I would have continued to waste, and that's where it's important to take action now. So if anything that you have wasted, you have not acted upon for all these years, my humble request to you is act now, because I don't want you to have the same pain which I went through 2 days back when I realized 10 years of loss, complete 10 years of loss. I know there are a lot of things that I might have matured as a person, I might have seen more world by now, I might have got a broader view. I buy all that point, but still the 10 years or 11 years lost are lost. I'm nowhere close to where I could have been in the direction where I always wanted to be, right? I opened PNP Educations in between with 2 of my other friends, and it doesn't exist now because I did not pursue that as well, right? So my first request to you today is to please ensure that if anything you have been keeping on back burner, please get that acted now, otherwise you will have the same pain which I felt 2 days back. And it's bad, trust me, and I'm telling you as a friend that I don't want anyone of my friends to have that same failure or have the same feeling of losing that much of time. You can earn back your money, you can never earn back your time, right? So please act on it. Second thing, the trip, or basically the tip I want to give you here is, please have a mentor, a coach. I'm not saying that you go ahead and pay coach and mentor that professional one. No, even your friend is sufficient, your spouse is sufficient, your girlfriend, boyfriend is sufficient, your brother, sister are sufficient, anybody in family, anybody in your friends is sufficient to be your coach and mentor. May not be the ideal one, because you should generally go by people who have done something on those lines, who can directly guide you. Like trying to learn swimming from somebody who has not swam ever doesn't make sense. So you need to find your right mentor, but there's no dearth of mentors. There's a lot of them. You can find them online, offline. There's a lot of options. I'm not suggesting whom you should go to, but I'm just telling that have a mentor. And why I'm telling you this, a quick story here. My personal experience. I have volunteered in an organization called Catalyst, which helps girls from humble background to get mentored from people who are well placed in the corporate world, so that they get experience that we do not have, or basically the exposure that they do not have access to. So that's where I felt like whatever I have been able to tell to these girls, these guys would have not learned those things if they were not with me. Maybe somebody else, if they were working with somebody XYZ from the same circle where I come from, that person might have also brought them to that level. But still, I feel now they can talk about graphology, palmistry, philosophy, tarot reading, speaking with confidence. There's so many things that they've got educated on, which they might have missed if they would have not gone for coaching, right? Second thing, my personal, extremely close to me, I tried swimming for 20 years in any water body I was able to access, and I had no success. Then, sometime back, I enrolled with a swimming institute in a gym in my society, and within 2 weeks, I was swimming. So 20 years roughly, 20 years of efforts did not help what a mentor was able to get accomplished in 2 weeks flat. And even today I'm talking to you is not just completely on my own accord. I was I'm pursued and influenced by my coach and mentor, and that's why I'm able to put this video together, and I'm able to share what I always wanted to share with all of my friends and people I can help to get better in their lives. This is something which I am very passionate about. This is something which I like doing, so I really enjoy doing it now, and I could have enjoyed this whole thing 11 years back, which I feel very sorry about. So this video is just to let you know these two things. If you have anything to do, start doing it right away, right now, today. Do not wait for a better time. It won't come. Second thing is, get a mentor, get somebody who can keep pushing you, maybe at times kick you in a butt, punch you in a face, but get you moving, get that accomplished. It's not in anybody's interest, but it's very personal. It's about you. If you want to live a life of fulfillment, you need to do what you want to do, and these two things, no procrastination and getting a right mentor, would help you get there. So with that, stay blessed, do your best, and let me know if you need any help.